My addictive fried shrimp toasts sing with the flavor of the sea. It's shrimp at its tastiest in one tiny, crispy, salty, deep fried bite. To start, I'm gonna make a shrimp puree. I'm gonna add half a pound of shrimp to my food processor, along with an egg white, some chopped scallions, garlic, and lemongrass. It's floral and aromatic and obviously lemony. If you don't have this, you can sub in some lemon zest. I'll season with salt and pepper. Pour in some sesame oil and some heat with sriracha. And I'll just pulse this into a puree. That smells amazing. Now I'll slice some fluffy potato bread into tiny crustless squares and spread on my shrimp puree. And I pretend like I'm frosting a little cake. Okay, I'll sprinkle with some sesame seeds for a nutty little crunch. It's time to fry. I've got a couple of inches of neutral oil heating up here to 350 degrees. I'm gonna carefully lower these in shrimp side down, and they only take a few minutes to fry, so just until they're golden. That's an exciting sizzle. Oh, they're already starting to get crisp around the edges. Oh, that is beautifully golden. I'm gonna let this fry for just a little bit of time on the other side. Dang, those are some cute toasts. OM Jazzle. How perfect does that look? I'm gonna remove these to a wire rack so that any excess oil can drip off. And using a rack as opposed to putting them on a paper towel lined plate will allow them to keep their bottoms crispy. And everybody loves a crispy bottom. These are heavy. All right, I'll finish with a drizzle of sriracha. How pretty are these? I'll keep on frying my shrimp toasts. This is dim sum delicious.